Not now, Ginger. I'm too busy.
You never play with me.
Look, a bug.
Oh, mine.
You gonna eat all of that? My stomach's barking.
It's my last sandwich, Ben. But I wish there were enough for everyone.
Excelsior! I have an invention for that.
Is this some fancy gizmo that makes anyone look breathtakingly handsome?
Nah, just a mirror.
You're right. I couldn't look any better.
Like my uber-duper duplicator, it copies everything that passes through it.
Play with me.
If only there were two of me.
It worked!
Oh, my poor nephew. I have neglected him for too long. I'm sorry, Ginger. I've been a bad uncle.
That's strange, Thomas. Your copy was somehow different.
Having two of me is good, which means more would be better.
Hey!
Take that, you noobs! I so pwned you!
Fine!
No, wait! No, mine! Ben, the epsilon progression is always derivative, as Schrodinger's theorem clearly elucidates.
Huh?
All that equals 2.
Well, why didn't you just say that? I wonder.
This is great! Awesome! Oh, you guys are the best! I'm so insignificant in this sea of felines! Are you kidding? I love crowds!
I must get the Toms back inside! But how? Oh! My uber-duper duplicator split him into his different emotions, but they all have one thing in common. Hey! Tom! You'd better look at yourself! Your fur is a mess!
What? Let me see! Me first! Out of my way!
Uncle, there were so many of you, but I couldn't find the real you.
Ginger, here I am. You wanna play?
Oh, mine!